Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok shop not showing. You have to go to TikTok application and here on the bottom part, you will actually see shop here where you can actually shop TikTok. And now as you can see here, there is no basket here where you can post or you have your own shop, and that is because there is a requirement for that. So here if we go on these three bars and tap on this creator tools, and you will see here the TikTok shop for creators, and as you can see you must have over 1000 followers and be at least 18 years old, and that is the requirement to actually have a your own TikTok shop, and that is why you do not have a TikTok shop on your profile. Now if you are looking for just here on the bottom part, you will see shop here. If you are looking for this one and if it's still not showing, all you can do is go to your settings and go to your TikTok application and just tap on offload or clear cache and go back to the application again. Now if it's still not working, maybe you need to update your TikTok application since this is a new update on TikTok. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.